special nù lemma 4 point kò sí tó special nù lemma 4.2 tá a ṣe yàtọ̀ sí pé gbogbo ibi tí a wà after the AI so that it will have finiteness then àwọn zk wa àti yk wa a fún wọn ní finiteness high which is from 1 to n so because of our time tí bá ní kí n máa go through ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀kan báyìí a máa gbára láwùkọ mọ́tò tí ò sì kú tọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Anytime since sọ pé ẹnìkan lè present. Anytime since sọ pé ẹnìkan lè present.
All right. Dr. Gava ẹ gbé láti bí by the definition of the first two.
Okay.
By the definition of sequences no mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ by the definition of sequences SK and WK we have now taba yọ WK from SK ìyẹn máa fún one result yẹn so then going to condition BT sir ẹ bá mi lọ sí condition BT nínú àwọn conditions wa B2 says epsilon k is a positive value, is a positive sequence rather, such that the summation of epsilon from k equals to 0 to infinity is bounded by plus infinity, and the limit of epsilon k over pi k as k tends to infinity equals to 0. So ní alomẹ
tó kọ́kọ́ wá before that is yẹn.
mo pé sọba ọ̀rọ̀ náà ni ó dúró fún ni.
ó ní ìtumọ̀.
olórí epsilon k is small o of var pi k that's implication epsilon k is equal to small o of var pi k iná ni ló túmọ̀ sí limit as k tends to infinity of epsilon k over var pi k which equals to 0. ṣé mo get ẹ sà.
Order of pi k
order of pi sorry now with that wkj minus skj as k tends to infinity will be equal to 0 from that condition and equation 4.1 that is established earlier. Now by triangle inequality a lè split the subsequent wkj minus the norm of subsequent wkj minus skj a lè split as the norm of wkj minus yikj plus the norm of yikj minus minus subsequent skj. So which implies because if let's say by triangle inequality that implies if k tends to infinity. Hello sir.
Yeah, we're going.
Error kan ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ it should be j níbi Dr. Gava if the j tends to infinity it should be j so please apologies sir I'm correct here. So,
j tends to infinity j náà ló wà bàbí báwo.
No, not that limit. The limit.
Okay.
That would be j.
Yeah. Aside that, tẹ́ bá ti fi síbi bẹ̀yẹn eléyìí j tends to infinity again you need more. ìyẹn ti tẹ́lẹ̀ tó wà wájú pátápátá yẹn ò ní ìdìmọ̀ tí o yẹn bá ti ní j.
I'm correct.
Tàbí ká remove méjèèjì.
ẹ ti involve correction sí from the beginning then ẹ jẹ́ kí n tètè correct yín bí kan 4.1 yẹn ò correct.
4.1. Under.
4.1 gẹ́gẹ́ náà là ń wò yẹn top of the screen. Okay. Ní kẹ́gbẹ́ tí mo lè 4.1 yóò correct.
Ìtàkànṣe ní 4.1 yẹn balẹ̀ òun náà nígbà kan.
Mo mọ tẹ́ ẹ ṣe but kò correct sir. The norm of x minus y is less than or equal to the norm of x plus norm of y. Kò ní jẹ́ norm of x minus norm of y. All wrong. In fact, norm of x minus y is greater than norm of x minus norm of y. So you really take a quick quote to see by wrong. This should be less than or equal
please,
to
can you
plus. Stop. Just stop sharing. Let me quickly write.
Okay.
Dear, this is the right hand.
ẹ má bínú pé ó pẹ́ mi ò ní intention láti kọ nǹkan kan, but then I think I have to so that we might carry through. It's a simple thing that I'm trying to explain, but then it seems clear without writing. Oh. I don't know, put it display and stuff. Continue, so the norm of x minus y is less than norm of x plus norm of y. And if intending something, you made this one minus. However, what we need is the norm of x minus norm of y gone. And y less than norm of x minus y. Even the comments in this will be greater than basic log coin. Greater than or equal to norm of x minus norm of y. So in the of equal to CB then. So it should be less than or equal to this guy plus this guy, even for the minus. In essence, because for instance, you add sk plus alpha k, sk minus 1, then minus sk minus theta k into sk minus 1. So expectedly, this and this will go. So Omaku, the norm of alpha k into sk minus 1, then minus theta k into sk minus 1. Now you treat this as the x and the y from here, from LA. So which means this will be less than or equal to alpha k sk minus 1 plus theta k norm of sk minus 1. And there's nothing bad in introducing your phi k, as you have. Then you use the epsilon k of order, equals order of the whole notation of alpha k. So which means this guy goes to 0, this one goes to 0. So clear?
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to stop now. We should have to stop sharing here.
Ẹ má worry, mo ti override yín. Oya, doctor.
Okay.
Mi ò tí ì rí.
Ẹ kàn override mi náà rí o.
Báyìí ńkọ́?
Torí mi ò tí stop ló fà mo ti stop báyìí. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for the correction, sir. Am I affected?
No.
So
early highlight ibẹ̀ yẹn náà sìn. You can highlight it.
Doctor, I like it.
So kò ibẹ̀ yẹn ní kọ́kọ́ o. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti òkè níbi títí tó wà láàrin nínú yẹn kọ́ àárín.
ẹ mọ̀ orí bẹ̀ tí
alpha k minus
tábà ti dé bíbá yà ti mọ ẹ̀rọ yẹn.
correct.
Hello, dog.
Ibi ẹ ti tàn minus kò sí ọkọ wa.
Hello, dog.
Yes, sir.
Tábà ti dé àárín iṣẹ́ àti mọ ẹ̀rọ yẹn tá máa fix ẹ continue.
Okay. We now move to from 4.4. From 4.4, it's supposed to say that since the subsequent WKJ is convergent. So, about 4.4 target something. 4.4.
Clear definition statement is necessary now.
Yeah, but I've established that SKJ is not equally convergent. Once the number of the subsequent tends to 0. So once this convergent, since subsequent WKJ is convergent, then that one equally converges.
Ibo láti sọ pé WKJ is convergent. Is there anything like that?
Ẹgbẹ́ lọ sókè.
Ẹja wo bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà. Kí gangan ni kí la hope láti achieve now.
Condition B.
Okay, the dilemma
is condition B.
Let SK. I do not. Let SK, WK, and YK be the three sequences generated by variable function so that conditions A1 and A2 hold. If there exists a sequence, subsequence WKJ, which is quickly converted to P, and that, then yeah, clear now. That one is clear. No. Clear. Because since the only Egbe Losibe again, or we can still see it from here. The assumption from that hypothesis is that WKJ converges quickly to P.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Now, the fact that the limit of both, okay, the limit of WKJ and YKJI let's show 0. So, which means YIKJ low.
Yes.
I would have said you should assume that one as well instead of proving. Yeah, my proof. The assumption should be. Yeah, the assumption should be. Again, I will prove no, because all confuse me back on. Confuse me back on.
It have some statement here. 4.2, sir.
Yeah, I've seen the Motiri. In Cotefa establishes that P is in the solution set.
Yes.
In Yegogonu, I think that should be the major from that, not even the first one.
All right.
That should be the major from that, not the second, because major the prefer prove man. And also SKJ no converge weekly CP, okay. But the main thing there is that the P is in the solution set. So in Yegogo. So I don't know how that part is required in any common. Partially SKJ lima were required in that proof. But let's see, let's just continue. How will prove, you know? That might not be necessary.
Okay.
I continue, Doc.
Sir?
I continue, sir.
Okay. Similarly, using the same approach as earlier used, when I put wrong here. No, wrong. Sorry, wrong. So the norm of WK subsequent WKJ minus P is that, as you can see, and it's going to be equal to that, which is going to be less or equal to, because we're summing it in form of it cannot be equal to again, because we are introducing control parameter alpha kj. So that's why we are using less than or equal to. Now, from 4.6, from 4.6 it are established in C. The norm of the subsequent WKJ minus SKJ
minus P minus SKJ again. That should be minus P because it's never shown here, isn't that?
Okay, I should explain that. This is what I did. If the limit of control parameter value kj, hello?
G. Yes, sir.
If it's equal to 0, gbogbo tó wà ní ẹgbẹ́ yẹn what do you call it, theta kj over pi kj or a norm of skj, whatever, it becomes 0. And I think I moved the number of xkj minus t to the left here.
Who are join you, man?
Is that correct?
Oh, are smart, but then go correct.
Okay, maybe you can help us there. Let me move in here.
Reason to move is that skj might not be necessary. The skj itself. Now look at what we're trying to achieve. It will be 2. Let's take it from 2. No. 2. No, it might be lost. Okay, man. It'll be 13 with our wine and the 2. Yeah. So maybe Eric Payne got to one benefit. It then follows go to the back on 2. It then follows from equation 4.7 that is subsequent skg is also weakly. Now this look at the ingote conclusion be again now. Look at your conclusion. The conclusion is xkg, not s. From Nkoti hypothesis in so hypothesis 1 they've established in 1 s as in sardine who converts to p, but now this is xylophone now conversion to p. You can see otakura one interfere achieve in first one here. They're calling 1. What the conclusion of the hypothesis co bank conclude hypothesis again. Everyone skj, the subsequent skj of sk sikiru jando on the skj. Whatever conclusion x they conclude x to the wala don't want x mathematics. Only conclude it then follows from equation 4.7 that the subsequent xkj is also weakly convergent.
Okay, you are correct.
So that, by the way, but me expect perfect.
Are we going to assume? Hello, sir. Are we going to assume that Sikiru KJ is convergent then?
Yeah, since that is
expect perfect. So let's look at that 2.
Okay. So from our algorithm, YIK is that.
That's the repair one YIK,
YIK.
A group with 10%. Second group,
Kill something.
Well, error one got a coin,
Motiri error. Gamma N.
Exactly.
Oh. And wow, I'm telling you, is it Cherry to change this thing to K stuff like that? Into jury, every guy, Dr. Gabal,
ojú ọmọ ṣe nǹkan mi gbà mí.
Exactly. Anyway, I'm corrected.
So by property of the
I try.
But by the property of the projection map, we have this is straightforward, okay?
Yeah.
Understand it later.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so which implies this is just elementary mathematics.
Separation of norm, separation of inner products.
Yes, exactly. So from this we obtain. So I can extend. I extend there.
Addition and subtraction.
Left hand side, I extend the left hand side. Hello, sir.
I was following, but I'll look addition and subtraction. Yeah. Yes.
So she go correct me.
Who correct? Addition and subtraction shall see okay. Yeah. Add WKJC. Add WKJ minus WKJC right side of the inner product. Okay. Go to our form 4.8.
Yes. Should we continue, sir?
Yes.
Since the subsequence WKJ is weakly convergent to point P in the Hilbert state, then it is bounded. Automatically, we all know that every bounded sequence is convergent. By the listed continuity of AI and the norm of the subsequent WKJ minus YIKJ tends to 0, then we have AIKJ, AIWKJ and YKJ are bounded as well due to continuity of AI, due to continuity of AI. So normally WKJ, the norm of WKJ minus YIKJ, so we tend to 0, and AI is Lipschitz continuous. So AIK, WKJ will also be bounded. Now, since gamma kj, the subsequent gamma kj is greater than the minimum of gamma I, comma mu over li, which is the finiteness of the elliptic continuity constant. Then by applying 4.1, we have another error. N should be replaced by J. Carry, oh God. Yeah. N should be replaced by J. Hey, so J consider Oga is not N. There might be no.
It's okay.
J tends to infinity.
But ìyẹn gan-an ká tó débi ìbẹ̀ yẹn gan.
Okay.
Àwọn kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ tó wá yẹn, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó wá yẹn.
Okay.
The conclusion that we want to arrive at, that conclusion is correct, but àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó wá yẹn kọ́ ló máa jẹ́ ká lead to conclusion yẹn. Since gamma kj ìyẹn we might not have a problem with that. I should put gamma kj no wà bounded or kó wà positive is enough. But ẹ padà sókè yẹn, ní tí mò ń sọ gangan la dé yẹn. The only thing I need in bẹ̀ ẹ padà nǹkan I need in bí lásán láti show pé kíní ẹ̀ wà greater. Ṣebí greater than or equal to 0 conclude 4.9 ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò ná.
Yes.
4.9. Yeah. So that need láti fi conclude mẹ́ lásán is just that the limit of WKJ minus YKJ goes to 0 as J goes to infinity. Ó tán ẹnu kan tá need nìyẹn láti fi conclude eléyìí. Yorùbá ẹ get nǹkan tí mo sọ. Ẹ padà sí 4.8.
WKJ minus YKJ.
Exactly. Tẹ bá padà sí 4.8 òun náà làwọn yẹn. So láti fi lè conclude ṣẹ́yìn pé right side yìí la fẹ́ conclude pé limit ẹ̀ wà greater than or equal to 0. Tẹ bá wò dáadáa. Nǹkan tá a need lásán is just ẹ wo inner product méjèèjì tó wà ní left yẹn. WKJ minus YKJ wà ń bẹ̀. Èkejì náà ṣẹ́tìrì. Ẹnu kankan péré tá a need nìyẹn. That's why the norm of YIKJ minus WKJ goes to 0 as J goes to infinity. And then Y gamma KJ ó gbọ́dọ̀ wà greater than or equal to 0, just like ó gbọ́dọ̀ wà greater than 0. Otherwise, 1 over YKJ gamma KJ ó máa di kí ni ó máa di infinity. So get part in, sha.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so the only thing that I can need is just that limit of WKJ minus YIKJ goes to 0. That's all. So we'll go by the Lipschitz continuity and we could need in B. I can need, so I can low contact assume since WKJ minus the norm of WKJ minus this we will obtain from 4.8 that 4.9. So clear?
Note please, so I want to write it down. Oh yeah, please. Since
okay.
What?
Yeah, since put in hypothesis so I assume WKJ minus Y.
Yes.
So since the norm of WKJ minus YIKJ goes to 0 as J goes to infinity, we obtain from 4.8 that. And then conclude 4.9.
Okay, that's all right.
So that's the only thing I need in there.
Okay, we obtain from 4.8 that the limit in of
4.8 exactly is greater than 0. We obtain from 4.8 and the fact that gamma kj is greater than 0 because then I got to find out correct vessel. Gamma kj kò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ 0. Tó bá ti lè jẹ́ 0 kíní ẹ̀ kò ní lọ bá ifẹ̀ kó lọ yẹn. So yé.
Oye. So
now we also have that. Let's go low. I think
left side here, last split here, last break into component.
No, so it be láti need the Lipschitz continuity of AI. So since WKJ minus YIKJ goes to 0, so Lipschitz continuity AI might imply pé ó máa imply nǹkan tẹ́ ní ẹ̀ náà. Though that should be J goes to infinity.
Yes. You are right, sir. You are right. You are very correct.
K goes to infinity. Lua me. Lim K lekonyo. Wo. Lim K goes to infinity. That's one possible. It should be lim
Hey,
of
Dr.
J.
Gaba,
Yeah. Mo,
Dr. Gaba,
yes.
ẹ dákun ẹ bá highlight ẹ, ẹ bá highlight ẹ,
Mo note here.
ẹ bá highlight limit J ló yẹ kó jẹ́. It's well with us. Ẹ ṣe, ẹ bá highlight ẹ, màá correct it, I'll correct it.
So
That's
this
all.
combined with 4.9 and 4.10, 4.9 and 4.1. Okay, yeah. So I've had low conclusion here. Well, 4.9 and 4.10. So yeah, it is correct man. So
Shall we continue, sir?
yeah, this conclusion is correct. Yes.
Now, I want to introduce the decreasing sequence of positive numbers so
Okay.
that when J is increasing, sequence the number decrease. Lapilo, kí la pé kò sáré symbol yìí jẹ o. Ẹ ṣàánú
Phi
mi
J
lórúkọ
near
tí mo-
capital phi near.
under capital phi J, the
Yeah.
sequence Y.
Mm.
So with that we want a sequence that it will be decreasing as you know.
It
we want
decreases.
it to
It
decrease to
decreases to zero.
None. We want a sequence that will decrease to zero as our natural numbers, our J tends to infinity. Hello, sir.
Yeah, our Pauline.
Okay. So in the statement sir, I will now say let NJ represent the smallest whatever. So then interpretation here once we pass introduce the arbitrary decreasing sequence here. So we add it to the what we have on in the equation 4 point. Okay, Starling, okay. Me ò rí dáadáa lórí 64 mi.
Sorry,
in the
before you go,
addition.
sir, before you go, ẹ padà sí 4.11 yẹn.
All right.
Níbi tá a ti ní now let rò pé 5 kg ló yẹ kó jẹ́ kò yẹ kó jẹ́ 5 j lọ.
There could be J. Only some sequence pẹ̀lú J náà. Only some
Okay.
sequence pẹ̀lú J lásán.
Bóyá kó jẹ́ k
because
subsequent.
we want to show that abẹ́rẹ́ establish pé ó converge to zero. Ṣé mo pé hello sir.
Mo ń gbọ́ yín.
NJ is the smallest possible integer for any J. As J tends to zero, so the smallest possible integer will be NJ, not via capital J or whatever.
No. Contemporary. This is only asking why did you subsequence that to J and not KJ. Contemporary. So, but J is fine. J should be.
Doc, ìtàn pé láti sọ mi báyìí ni pé kí later lo subsequence mi báyìí KJ instead J.
So J last year, KJ.
Okay.
So, but it's because we're picking a natural number. We're picking a number.
Sequence.
Yeah. So we just after basic. You can see. Let phi J be a decreasing sequence of positive numbers.
Yes, sir.
I get. So tobacco K underscore J no is still a number, but why not just go direct and say J? So that's why that one goes to J. So that would, but it satisfies that tends to zero, no. But it's a way of writing.
All right. That
ìyẹn ló ń confuse mi bákan. Is it supposed to be with 5J? Ṣé pẹ̀lú 5J ni? Ṣé correct pẹ̀lú 5J like that? Plus 5J is greater than or equal to 0. Yeah. We need to be sure that it's greater than.
Exactly. Finally, I was asking myself, the equation 4.1 that I had is 5J. 5J I had the equation to allocate. I want to introduce another J asterisk.
Okay.
That is my own conclusion. I said I will have to.
Okay, now Mufeke explain. But now let me give you the explanation.
Because for Yemi, then Yemi le paro.
Okay, number one. Nǹkan tá a kàn bí ibẹ̀ yẹn. Kó tó di bó a bọ́ sí 4.11 lim if nǹkan yẹn.
Okay.
Lim if wá sọ wípé kíní yẹn wà greater than or equal to 0. That inner product.
Then,
Àbí as j tends to infinity.
then,
So ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ni pé we can get a natural number such that
okay.
that inner product is positive. Nǹkan tó túmọ̀ sí nìyẹn. Limit tẹ̀lé tó sọ pé greater than or equal to 0 yẹn. So sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn clear báyẹn. Since the lim if as j goes to infinity of the inner product of ai yikj comma x minus yikj is greater than or equal to 0. In total, we can get a natural number such that what? That thing is positive. Only MRE conclusion 4.11 for all j star greater than the smallest positive. Certainly greater than the smallest positive. So number one here. Actually, pé inner product is positive. Then phi j, kí la pè phi j?
The increasing frequency of positive number.
Tá bá add positive number méjì papọ̀, kí la máa ní? Greater than
Positive number.
0. So clear?
Yes. Okay. Hello, sir.
No,
together, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
So thank you very much for the clarification. Now, clearly, the sequence NJ is increasing since phi j is decreasing. Obviously, that is clear. From a subsequence related to that NJ of Y, which is a subset of our C, or is coming from C anyway. For any for
any G near conscious for any key.
For any water.
For any G. No, for any key like on yourself. From
change it. Highlight it. I will change it. Would you for none? So
yeah.
AIYINJ is not equals to 0. Because while j equals to 0, I can get solution.
But correct.
Equal to 1.
Yeah.
While it gets 0. But since it's not equal to 0, we are doomed, and we still continue searching for the solution. Because we want to get our solution set. To show that P is in that solution set. Now, maybe normalization la ṣe ń bí. I say normalize the AIYING.
Yoruba explanation. That's the mathematical explanation. Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir. So in the la ṣe síbẹ̀ sir.
But ṣé ó clear sí gbogbo èèyàn bí kíní ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ báyìí? Ṣó clear? So clear bí nǹkan ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́. Assignment number one, and the assignment is that the psi of NG, capital psi, assign see that normalized stuff, vector kinetic. So, but the conclusion that is normal, the inner product of that and if that equals 1. So clear from that. Can we get it? Can we get that conclusion that inner product is equal to 1?
No. Clear, sir.
Clear.
Okay. Can I share?
Okay, sir. Want to stop and share?
Okay. Close. Okay.
Àti rí board tẹ̀ display.
Àti rí board ó ti ń bọ̀.
Okay. Tani kò wá síbẹ̀ mọ́. Àyà sì ní sílẹ̀ o. Nǹkan tó wà níbẹ̀, for instance, a sọ pé I have a, okay, I can get it now. capital psi of ng equals ai y I ng all breaking sound floor ai y I ng squared. So eléyìí náà, this is just x squared is equal to s comma x. Rántí, x squared, the norm of x squared is the same thing as the net product of x and x. So which means this guy, you can now have this guy phi ng norm of ai y I n g comma ai y I n g equals ai y I n g. So clear?
Yeah.
Mo ti sọ eléyìí di inner product.
Yes.
So mo lè gbé kan jáde nínú ilé kí n fi kan replace ẹ̀, kí n fi lè replace kí lè wọlé. Or this way is this, I can this a into s comma y, for instance, is the same thing as as comma y, which is also the same thing as x into a comma y.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So I can bring this guy out now. I have ai y n g I, then mo lọ fi eléyìí replace ẹ̀ nínú, then comma ai y I n g, then equals ai y I n g. So clear?
All right.
Clear? Mo ti gbélé jáde, mo fi lè replace ẹ̀.
Bó jẹ́ báwo orí àwa tá à ń lo fóònù orí.
Káàrí àwa tá ń lo fóònù.
Ẹ kàn bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ.
Èmi náà ń lo èdè rí.
A ti bẹ́ẹ̀ di ẹ.
Mo ti rí báyìí, ẹ ti sọ.
Bá ká gbé sí àárín díẹ̀, prof.
Mo ti gbé sáàrin báyìí.
Okay, yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
So ti clear báyìí àbí?
Very clear.
Yes.
So kí lẹ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ni pé
Divide
this guy here,
Divide two, yeah.
cancel this. So you have this guy.
Okay. Thank you.
Is equal to 1. Okay. So part yẹn lọ. There's another thing again there to máa follow yẹn. But since the party kọ́kọ́ really establish náà, a máa fẹnu sọ yẹn nígbà tá a bá débẹ̀. Now.
Okay.
Yes, so as established working age 1, yeah. So for each j, yes. Then from 4.11, báwo la ṣe get ilé gangan mo fẹ́ òní ọ̀hún tí mo sọ pé a máa fẹ́ nu something from 4.11. Look at 4.11, go back to 4.11. Ṣẹ̀tìrín tó wà 4.11 yìí, inner product kan àti phi j, àbí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Now, nǹkan tá a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ prove nsìn, a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ prove pé kíní yìí ó equals to 1, àbí? Tá a bá fi 1 multiply phi j, kí ló máa fún wa? It's still phi j. But instead of using the 1, ká kàn lo inner product yẹn multiply, ó máa jẹ́, kò change anything sí 4.1, does it? It doesn't, because that inner product is equal to 1. Kò ní change ẹ̀. Mi ò rò bóyá ọ̀nà yẹn clear ṣe.
Okay. Yes.
A kàn lọ fi inner product yẹn multiply phi j. Ó ti di, ó máa jẹ́ inner product méjì báyẹn, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So tá a bá put it together, la máa get the conclusion tí a rí ní lẹ́yìn from 4.11 we obtain. Bá a ṣe get ìyẹn nìyẹn. Mo fẹ́ kí yẹn clear ni. But if it is not clear, I can re-explain that.
Sorry. Kí ló dé tá fi lo KJ star? Kí ló dé tá fi star sórí jẹ́?
It's a different number.
You said?
It's a different number. Ṣé àwọn kò mú sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé since tó pé kìíní yẹn wà lim if yẹn wà greater than or equal to 0.
Yes.
So we can get a number.
Yes.
We can get a number such that that inner product and 4.11 will be positive. So that number that gets any just that it's just a representation. Just pick a number from the natural numbers greater than our smallest positive number. It could be any other
Okay.
thing. But just to demonstrate that we can have a number, a natural number kan to do the smallest positive integer lọ, such that lim if into the lim of that thing is what is positive. Ẹ ti lo kíní ẹ̀ dáadáa láwọn ibì kan. Ibi tẹ́ ti sọ pé kíní kan is equal to 0. Tẹ́ bá sọ pé kíní kan is equal to 0, ibi tá a ti ń ṣe inertia. The lim of theta k over alpha k of sk minus kíní kan is equal to 0, which means we can get a positive number m such that kíní is less than or equal to the m. No, ẹ ti máa pàdé yẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹn tí mo sọ yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ wà lókè. Tí a bá fi lè rí pé límìtì kan wà, ó jẹ́ equal to 0. Ní tó túmọ̀ sí pé límìtì nǹkan tí límìtì ẹ̀ jẹ́ 0 yẹn, nǹkan yẹn wà finite nìyẹn. Tó bá dẹ̀ wà finite, ó mì pa lè rí positive number kan tí nǹkan yẹn wà less than. A lè rí pé ó wà bounded by nǹkan kan positive number kan nìyẹn. Mi ò bọ́yọ̀ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn clear.
Yes, ó clear.
Ó clear.
Ó ti clear báyẹn ṣe.
So the same thing irú eléyìí since pé if yẹn wà greater than or equal to 0, ní tó túmọ̀ sí pé a lè rí integer kan, a lè rí number kan tó jẹ́ wípé kí ni o, that inner product will be positive for all those numbers greater than the least number that we can have. So now ibi tí mo ń lọ sí ni from 4.11 we obtain yẹn, this conclusion tán kọ yẹn so clear bọ́n ṣe obtain yẹn.
Dókítà bá gbé sókè. Dókítà gbé sókè. Dókítà Gàfárà. Ṣe. Oh, as in 4.11 to 4.2 mo mean 4.12.
4.11 actually, the 4.11 is on display.
Let's continue.
No, 4.1. Totally 4.11.
4.12. Hello, Dr. Gàfárà, 4.12.
No, I see the 4.12. Ele conclusion ele.
As in
conclusion ye from 4.11 we obtain. No, I'm at the from 4.11 we obtain any monso. We obtain kinita obtain this inner product. Ye so clear to everybody, right?
Yes, so clear. Let me see.
Okay. Le continue nígbà tó ti sọ pé clear.
ṣé ẹni explain bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí kágó àrẹ̀kà?
No, ẹ máa continue, wọ́n ti sọ pé clear.
Okay.
So by the monotonicity level
of AI. So we get that is when AI is the monotone. You know, we can say AI, the inner product of AI x plus y is greater than 0 equal to inner product of AI y minus x is less than 0. So, if mi ò bá ṣe mistake, mo yẹ kó tẹ̀ yẹn sà.
No, ẹ ṣe mistake o. Because definition ti the monotonicity ni pé AX, the inner product of AX, comma y minus x, AX, comma y minus x is greater than or equal to 0.
Yes.
Implies the inner product of, implies AY now, comma the same y minus x will be greater than or equal to 0. Yeah.
Sorry,
So, teba wo man, just treat the x plus 5j as the y and ying as the x. So that is ax, comma y minus x is greater than or equal to 0. We apply ay, comma y minus x is equal to 0. Is greater than or equal to 0. So that's the definition of pseudo-monotonicity.
That's it. Doctor, about lift it, okay. I lift it, okay, sir. Doctor, please raise it up. Let's move on.
Dr. Gafaro sí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́.
Error.
Hello, mo wà ń bí báyìí, kíní ẹ̀ hangi ni, mo fẹ́ rí share.
Okay.
Ṣé tí ń rí báyìí padà?
Oh yeah, erase it, okay. We are moving on. We did know. See the go there. So which gives tó bá expand tó bá wo left hand side the question tá a ṣe ṣe tán sìn tó bá expand it we have that so then a kind of mathematical computation kan ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ láti lè jẹ́ kí a lè ní implication greater than equals to and less than equal to from the denominator.
No, èmi ò rò mi ò sure pé kí n yẹn correct o ẹ jẹ́ kó ń kálukú wá wò ó mi ò sure.
We have AIX.
I don't know. Am I wrong? But I don't think it is.
All right, let's check it.
AIS minus AS plus X.
Okay. Correct. I might be no, but I try to confirm. Correct. But mo fẹ́ kẹ́ confirm kó correct.
Dr. Gaba.
Sir.
Ẹ bá mi highlight y ó yẹ kí high wà lórí y yẹn. No, níbi tí ọ̀gá ní ká.
Níbi 4.12. Níbi 4.12.
Which gives
first inner product ní
right. God bless you. God bless you. Ẹ bá mi highlight there. Y yẹn nìkan.
Ó correct, but then mo fẹ́ kẹ́ iná confirm kó correct. Mo ṣe rí kó correct.
In other groups, criticize.
Ìtọ́ni ẹni kò sọ̀rọ̀ ní wọn lóòótọ́.
Èmi ń follow.
Criticize.
Àti rí bó ṣe move, àti rí bó ṣe follow from the above.
Okay, sir. Should we continue?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Now, we now show that the limit of psi j over pi j after so kó jẹ́ 0. Gbogbo target one sì ni pé we are actually after the solution set of our variational inequality. Then we will get the equation why this àti kí a get pé all these other things that are not needed are equal to 0.
Yeah.
So like we now show that the limit of control parameters mean even though they are sequences, pi j and introduce the arbitrary control parameters.
Yeah.
So we want to show that as j tends to infinity, the two of them is equal to 0. And okay, we get that. Kí yinj wa ká assume pé ó converge weakly to p. Ṣé mọ̀ pé initially náà weak convergence náà ni a fi bẹ̀rẹ̀. So we want to correct me lẹ́ẹ̀kan yìí pé x isophone mo lọ lò which was very wrong. Yes. So sakirat lẹ ká lò àbí wike.
No. Intention is correct. Now, since we get that that yinj ó máa converge weakly to p, since wkj ó converge weakly to p, and then the distance between wkj and ykj zero as j is big. So a lè rí conclusion here correct because we get that kìnìún máa correct. Since we wkj ó converge weakly to p, then the distance between wkj and ykj is very, very small. Becomes small and small, and it reduces to 0 as j goes big. So you're correct. Then from kini from
reduce the font kini yẹn ije mi ò tiẹ̀ wá ó ti tóbi jù lọ́dọ̀ mi bí abẹ́ mi mo kọ ẹsẹ̀ mi mo fà á.
Ọ̀dà báyìí nǹkan mo pé kó lè wà clear ni. Báyìí nǹkan.
Okay, ẹjọ́ ṣe díẹ̀ because ó ti cut side kan tẹ́lẹ̀. God bless you. Ẹ ṣeun. So thank you, sir, our teacher. From yik, if yik is coming from the from c high, then that means and yik ó dẹ̀ convert weakly to p, so that means pé okay ẹ ṣe lọ sálẹ̀ díẹ̀ ká lè rókè.
Èmi bá sọ pé nǹkan tẹ́ kọ́ mi báyìí. Ẹ bá kọ́ ní pé it follows from y. Èmi bá sọ pé ẹ bá sọ báyìí pé it follows from yik.
Dr. Gavar.
Yes.
Dr. Gavar.
Yes.
ẹ bá mi sún sókè kí n rí correction yẹn tó dà máa lè include
Ọ̀dà.
ẹ gbé kíní yẹn sókè ibi tí wọ́n ti ń sọ pé ká correct yẹn
Ibẹ̀ náà
ibẹ̀
ló
náà ló wà ibẹ̀ náà ló
ẹ
wà.
jẹ́ lókè okay it follows from y abi.
It follows from yik kìíní kan in ci yẹn that p is in ci bí èmi ìgbà ṣe rò pé ó yẹ kó jẹ́ nìyẹn.
Okay, all right. I'm happy to see.
It follows from yik bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kọ from yik in ci we have pi no it follows from yikj in ci that is yikj is a subset of ci ni mo mi o kò ń ṣe bí Dr. Gabo ṣe ń kọ yikj is a subset of ci that p is also a subset of ci so. Because I'm get to that, it's just a conclusion from the fact that YKJ now converge with CP. Now, since I let him YKJ and ball at you say I, P to converse in number one to say I. So simply it's just from the closeness let C be a non-empty convex close and convex. Shall not see?
Now,
Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn ṣe get nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn.
ó yé mi sá ó bẹ́tà báyìí.
tí p fi lè wà nínú ci kí ló fà property wo nìyẹn because the ci is closed.
Fídíò tí kan ló
so clear sí gbogbo across board so everybody get the reason
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
p fi lè wà nínú ci.
ọbẹ̀ ìsà.
It's because the ci's are closed subsets so ìtorí ẹ̀ ní p tí yi ó wà nínú p yes but ó wà nínú c but tí c ò bá wà close n tí yi convert sí yẹn kò ní wà nínú ci o.
Yes.
So ibẹ̀ yẹn lẹ jẹ́ ká stop nbí.
Okay.
Ọjọ́ ti lọ you are 11 minutes later than the schedule. So let us
sorry.
stop here. So interpret show fún wa sí ni pé the product of capital phi and capital psi o equals to 0 nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ show fún wa nìyẹn. So we take it from there the next time. So we have enjoyed it. Ẹ ṣe corrections as they have come. So I can skim through one the next time. But obviously, I don't know. Maybe our second group might take over new. But yeah, in the continue. That will be the next time.
Thank you very much.
I better agree pẹ̀lú pé ká close ni.
Ó wà okay. Ó dáa dáa lọ church.
Ọjọ́ ti lọ, you are right, sir. Thank you very
Okay.
much for your time.
Ẹ ṣé o. Dr. Ogunṣọlá ẹ ṣé last week o.
Àìdúpẹ́ ara ní jàre ẹwọ́
ẹ ti sanwó.
owó kẹ̀.
Ẹ tí send ní round sí wa láti South Africa.
Ẹ mọ̀ dá Dr. Gaba lóhùn, wọ́n dá ráǹdì wọn jẹ́ South Africa.
So, make sure pé ṣe correction àwọn tí bí yẹn kan wá present o.
All right. Dr. Gaba ẹ bá
Ẹ má yẹ
send
kílẹ̀kùn mi lọ́wọ́ bí àwọn yòókù o.
Máa send you some.
Kò sí bí o ṣe ní mú wa lọ́wọ́ à ń lẹ́ẹ̀nì ni.
Kò sí pé àwo
ọ̀gá ọ̀sìn lẹ fi wá sí lónìí o.
kò sí pé àwo béèrè question lọ́wọ́ yín àwo lálà sí yín.
Ìṣe gbogbo òdì mi gbóná láyé o.
A ti present fún yín ká tó wá sí gbangba so a ti àmọ́ pọ́lítì ẹ̀.
Ọ̀dà ẹ ṣe dog.
All right.
All right.